The Fendercare quick release system. In order to provide a safe system of work and to comply with the welfare of animals in transport regulations, it is important to include a quick release element in any form of rescue lift. Two designs of quick release spreader bar are commonly used by the UK Fire and Rescue Services. These are known as the Fendercare and the Eburn or Resquip spreader bar. Both devices can be used in conjunction with the rescue strops or the medical suspension harness. For more detail, please refer to the equipment data sheets and lesson plans. Here we describe the principles of use for the Fendercare spreader bar in conjunction with an extended jib with hook on a 4x4 tractor with a front end loader. It is preferable to apply the spreader bar to the attachment on the lift vehicle away from the casualty animal. This is to minimise movement and stimulation directly around the animal. It also affords opportunity to shorten the chains following assessment of the physical height clearance, size of the casualty animal and the lifting height capacity of the loader. Ensure both chain legs are equal by counting the links. Once the strops are rigged and in position, guide the spreader bar ensuring no one is under the loader and clear instructions are relayed to the driver operator. Position the spreader bar low enough to attach the strop rings and behind the spine rather than across the torso. The C-catch mechanisms allow one side of the harness to be fitted at a time, or simultaneously if sufficient personnel are available. When using the rescue harness strops, close the jaws and insert both safety pins from the inside. The red and green safety and release lines can be attached and the team member assigned to them The same principles apply when using in combination with a medical suspension harness, except the rear safety pin that secures the strop is inserted from the rear. This ensures that the rear section does not deploy. The front part of the strop falls and the rings of the medical suspension harness slide from the retaining strop. When releasing an animal from the medical suspension or rescue harness, ideally the animal should be lowered to within 6 inches of the ground, at which point the anti-spill straps or wither strap will be quietly undone. The animal will then be lowered to a position where it can bear weight. Tension will be removed from the system and the C-catch mechanisms released by hand, minimising any stimulation. After which the animal can be walked away or the strops and webbing retrieved from the animal. Only if the animal becomes stimulated or is considered a risk should the quick release be utilised. The act of quick release may add to the level of stimulation, but it is designed to allow swift disconnection from the harness and lifting mechanisms for the purpose of human and animal safety.